Here's how you can change Uber Eats to Uber Driver. First, open your browser and search for the Uber Help Center. From the results, select the main Uber Help Center link at the top. Once you're on the website, look for the option to contact Uber support and select Email Us if it's available for your account and region. Next, copy the support email address provided on the page. After that, open the Gmail website and sign into your account. Click Compose to start a new email and paste the Uber support email address into the recipient field. For the subject, you can enter something like request to switch from Uber Eats to Uber Driver. Then, in the main body of the email, clearly explain that you currently have an Uber Eats delivery account and want to switch to an Uber Driver account for rides. Once everything is filled in, review the email and click Send. Uber support can then review your request and provide the next steps or any requirements needed to switch your account from delivery to driving. That's all for this video. Thanks.